How's it going, my friends? I've got a quick gardening tip I want to share with you today. This one is going to help you to grow some of the most resilient, strong plants that put off a nice flower set, very heavy fruit sets, and it's very simple. It's low cost. There's really nothing to it. Well, how you doing, Matilda? You got something to say? Huh? You looking for them goji berries? Well, they're coming soon, my lady. They're coming soon. So here's the tip, okay? You're going to want to get yourself some of this stuff. This label and the bottle are getting pretty tore up, but this stuff lasts a long time. This is the ES Plant Organic Kelp. This is liquid kelp. Now, I love using this fertilizer after the plants have woken up from dormancy. They've done a lot of growing. Maybe we gave them a little bit of nitrogen up front. But at this point, when you got a lot of flowering occurring, regardless of where you look, this is the time you might want to give your plants a little bit of a boost, and at the same time, you don't want to give them that nitrogen that can create too much foliage production, and also oftentimes will bring in the aphids. So what this liquid kelp does is it adds some really good sugars so the plant can uptake that. It also has a full spectrum of minerals, which really is not only giving your plants strength and resiliency, but that nutrition, those minerals that we depend on too, it translates into the food. And because liquid kelp is mainly high in potash, it's really good, like I said, for your flowering cycle and also for your fruit production. So instead of putting nitrogen into your garden once the plants have already woken up, once they begin to flower, once you start seeing some fruiting, you can still give them a little bit of feed. And trust me, a little goes a long way. You only need 2 ounces for a gallon of water. I just put a little splash in a watering bucket, but you can also put 2 ounces in a 1 gallon sprayer, pump sprayer, and make that go an extra long way. So for the value, for the cost of this product, and you can get it online on Amazon. Check the links below if you want to see where I pick mine up at. It's definitely worth it. I've shared with you in the past, one of my favorite combos is the liquid kelp and some fish emulsion, but we're not doing the fish emulsion right now because, like I said, we're already past that stage. We don't want to be giving a lot of nitrogen to our plants at this time. So I'll often do a foliar feed with this, but let me show you how little it takes. Just a little splash like that in a watering can. And let's just come over to this feijoa now and give it a little feeding. We're just going a few feet out from the tree, about where the branches extend to. It's okay if this splashes up on the leaves, it loves it. That's all there is to it. I love using the liquid kelp this time of year as well in my ornamentals. So whether you're growing flowers like roses, gardenias, it works wonders, helps keep those plants strong and resilient. Give it a try. So with that, thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.